Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Verizon Fios TV remote not working. Now I'll give you three solutions. Now the first solution is to simply go and check the battery of the remote control. So you need to make sure that the batteries are located on the right polarity, and you should also make sure that the batteries are working properly, not out of energy. Replace the old batteries with fresh ones. Sometimes just swapping out the batteries will solve the issue. If the batteries are fine, but your remote is still not working, the next step is to reset the remote. And to do this, press and hold the OK button and the menu buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. Then wait till you have here on this light right here, you have this, wait till you have this light here red, and it will turn off and turn on repeatedly. After that, your remote control will be resetted. Then you release the buttons and you should see the red light blink a few times and turn off. This resets the remote and may help resolve any communication issues. If you are still having the problem or the trouble, check for signal interference. Make sure there is no obstruction blocking the line of sight between the remote and the Fios TV, especially if you are using the remote's infrared sensor. And that is all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.